Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
Hi viewers, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today's concept, directions. We are going to discuss how to solve direction concept questions in reasoning based on their concept are frequently asked in various aptitude tests and competitive exams. Let's start our topic. In direction concept questions asked in the exam based on two principles. First principle is distance. Distance is the total movement of an object without any regret to direction. We can define distance as to how much ground an object has covered. Its starting point to ending point is called as distance. Second principle is direction. Direction is defined as the path that something takes, the path that must be taken to reach a specific place, the way in which something is starting to develop or the way you are facing is called as direction. These all are direction principles. Main and cardinal directions. We all know that there are four main directions: east, west, north and south. Also we are four cardinal directions is northeast, southeast, southwest, northwest. We are going to use all these 8 directions to solve our direction reasoning problems. We assume that our front the direction is north, behind us is south, to our left is west and to the right is east. Also we know that the sun rises in the east and sunset in the west. When a person faces the sun, then in front is east and behind is west. To the left will be north and in right is south. Left-right movements. A person facing east on taking left will face towards north and on taking the right turn towards south. Person facing west on taking left will face towards south and on the taking right turn towards north. Person facing north on taking left will face towards west and on taking to right turn towards east. Person facing south on taking left will face towards east and on taking the right turn towards west. These all are left-right movements. Concept of Pythagoras theorem. We all use the concept of Pythagoras theorem to solve the questions on directions. Definition of Pythagoras theorem is: in a right angle triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides. Here observe right angle triangle we take. A denote as height, B denote as base and C denote as hypotenuse. Coming to formula, we find hypotenuse. Hypotenuse square is equal to the sum of height square and base square. Here finally we get formula C square equal to A square plus B square. Let's understand the above discussed concepts with the help of some solved examples. Model 1. This problem is under direction method. Mr. Deepak walks 5 kilometers towards the south and then turn to the right. After walking 3 kilometers, he turned to left and walked 5 kilometers. What direction is Deepak facing right now? Now coming to solution. First, observe image. I will give the solution step by step. It refers to the below image. Here, starting point A. Step 1. Clearly observe question. Deepak walks 5 kilometers towards the south direction. Step 2. When turn to right, he face west direction. After walking 3 kilometers, he turned to left, facing south direction and walk 5 kilometers in south direction, reach to point B. In question asked, Which direction he faced? Finally, we got answer is south direction. Model 2. This problem is under distance method. Soumya walked 20 meters towards the north. Then she turned right and walks 30 meters. Then she turned right and walks 35 meters. Then she turned left and walks 15 meters. Finally, she turned left and walks 15 meters. In which direction and how many meters is she from the starting position? Now coming to solution. First, observe the image. I will give the solution step by step with reference to this image. Here, starting point A. Clearly observe question step 1. She walked 20 meters towards the north direction. Step 2. She turned right and walked 30 meters. She faced east direction. Step 3. She turned right and walked 35 meters. She faced south direction. Step 4. She turned left and walked 15 meters along east direction. Step 5. Finally, she turned left and walked 15 meters along north direction. Finally, she reached point B. In question asked which direction she faced. She faced north direction. Next, we find distance. Distance between starting point to ending point. I assume midpoint as C. Draw a reference line passing through point A and point B. Applying distance formula, AB equal to AC plus CB. The distance between A to C is 30 meters because it parallel to above line, and distance between C to B is 15 meters because it's parallel to the below line. AC equal to 30 meters and CB equal to 15 meters. Substitute the values in given formula. We get final answer. The distance between the starting point to ending point is 45 meters. Model 3. This problem solved by using Pythagoras theorem. X man goes 2 kilometers east from point X and then takes a right turn from point Y to move 2 kilometers to point Z. What is the minimum distance between point X and point Z? Now coming to solution. Here starting point is X. Clearly observe question. Step 1. A man goes 2 kilometers from starting point X along east direction. Step 2. He takes a right turn and move 2 kilometers, reach point Y. Step 3. After he reached to starting point with C distance. Clearly observe right angle triangle formed here. Now apply Pythagoras theorem. C square is equal to sum of A square and B square. Here clearly observe above image. A value is 2 and B value is 2. Substitute the given formula, we get C square is 8. We get C value is root 8. Simplify the value, we get final answer is 2 root 2 kilometers. Pythagoras model questions solve like this. Based on above 3 models, solve the direction problems in competitive exams. Thanks for watching. If you get more updates, subscribe my channel. You really like my content, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.